Today I want to get into my door knocking pitch. This is one of the most important things. We're all door knocking, right? You got to be out there door knocking. We're hybrid agents. We door knock and we appointment set. But if you got 20 leads this week and you can only sit down with 5 via appointment, well, what about the other 15? Yes, we can keep dialing on them, and we will. But if you can't get in front of them, you got to pound the doors. That's the best way to get them. We all know we get a ton of telemarketing and spam calls every single day, and we don't want to answer the phone. So let's pound some doors. So what I say is I go up, knock on the door, I'm waving when I'm walking up, I'm always smiling. You can't stop me from smiling. Walking up, I got the lead card in my hand for the house that I know I'm going into and I'm about to go see. And what I say to Miss Mary is I say, "Hi, Miss Mary, how are you? I was actually just helping out one of your neighbors right up the street. And basically, since I was helping out one of your neighbors, I figured I would just stop on by and say hello to you. Now, you had recently requested information in regards to the state-regulated life insurance program, and my job's real simple. All that I do is I go ahead and I just show you what you qualify for. And I'll have handed them the card already, or at that point in time, I'll be handing them the card so they can take a look at it. They see their own handwriting, right? They see that they wrote their name, their spouse's name, their age, their spouse's age, their phone number, their address. They signed it. They put it in an envelope, walked it down the mailbox, and sent it on in. It takes a lot of effort to do that. And then, very simply, should I take my shoes off? So after that, I'm asking a very simple question saying, hey, I'm coming in. Am I coming in with my shoes on or my shoes off?